This may be our season decider. If we don't win this game, it simply means it's yet another season without a trophy. And to be honest, to be fair, we are playing against a team that has been better than us in the last 2 seasons. They finished third last season. They won a trophy, the Carling Cup. Um, they reached the MTN 8 finals this season. They currently third on the log, and they're currently in the quarterfinals of the CAF Confederations Cup. But then we've already played against them twice this season, and we won both of those games. So that should be a positive. But then I don't think the Stellenbosch we played against this season is the Stellenbosch we all know. The Stellenbosch who attacks aggressively, the stubborn Stellenbosch. And I expect their mindset to be different on this one. This is a cup quarterfinal. There's no second leg. The game is a motivation itself. So I'm pretty sure we are going to face a different Stellenbosch. And the good thing about Navi's side is that we will create chances. Irregardless of our performance, we may be bad, but we are going to create chances. I think the last time I checked, we were the team with most chances created in the league. I don't think our position in the log is a true reflection of our performance. We've had big chances. We've been struggling with finishing. You also have to be worried about our defense. We are in the top 3 teams with most goals conceded. So you have to be worried about our defense, especially against a team like Stellenbosch. On the team news, we have some positive news. Chabotele and Gaston Sereno returned from suspension. We saw Mshini making his return midweek. Wandile Duba and Sbongiseni Mchechwa were training this week, so they are available for selection. This is my preferred starting 11. Vuma in goals. Froslau on the right. Didn't have a good game midweek, but I'm still keeping him. Dove on the left. Dove has been fantastic in the 2 games he's played, winning his ground jewels, his aerial jewels. It's very difficult to tell that he was out for like 6-7 months with an ACL injury. I'm going to go with the centre back pairing of Inacio Miguel and Rushin Dudley. Yeah, it's a bit unfair on given Msimango, considering the performance he put on midweek against Magesi. But then I don't think we should drop Rushin Dudley as of now. In the midfield, I'm going to play Chabotele as my number 6. We saw Njabulo Blom lacks confidence. I don't think he has the confidence, especially for a game like this. And I don't think Sbongiseni Mchechwa is ready yet to start a game, so I'm going to play Cele as the 6. George Matlo was the number 8. He played really well midweek against Magesi, came on as a sub alongside Dudu. They changed the game. I'm going to play Tutusi Shabalala as the number 10. One may opt to start Sereno, but then I think we should use Sereno off the bench. And on the right, of course, Tlodile Lepo has been our best player recently. I think we got ourselves a player here. The pace, he can play 1-2s, good runs. So it's pretty obvious on that one. It's pretty obvious. Lepo on the right, Modi on the left. I think Modi has to work on his finishing. He does everything right except his finishing. And up front, I'm going to go with Ashley Dupree, who scored the winner, of course, midweek. And I think he's ready now to start a game. He also returned last week against Mamelodi Sundowns. But then I think now he is ready to start a game. And my prediction for this game is Kaizer Chiefs to win by 2-1. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.